Okay, do you hear that? It's like quiet now, but it gets louder and louder throughout the night and the day. And there are more and more birds in the night, I think, or in the early morning. And they just don't stop. And they're driving me insane. I wish I could capture the real sound. I'm trying. Oh, look, he discovered me. He wants to be famous. Here's your 5 minutes of fame, buddy. 15 minutes. That's right. Fly away, because you're driving me crazy. See? There they are. Yep. That's it. Here. Ugh. All night long. This is what it sounds like when doves cry. See? They're like gathering. They just want to like come in.